Hi everyone, good evening, hope you're well. So today I'd like to talk about self-sponsorship. Mainly there are three things you need to consider if you would like to get settlement in the UK through self-sponsorship visa. Well, if you don't know me, my name is Ahasan Habib and I'm the CEO of SL Free Education. And just I'd like to talk regarding three skills you need to have to be successful through the self-sponsorship visa. Before sharing the details about self-sponsorship, first of all, I'd like to tell you is one thing is self-sponsorship visa allows to bring dependent, I mean your husband or wife from your home country. That's the first benefit of self-sponsorship visa. I know there are a lot of PSW students. I mean, they came to this country and they didn't bring the spouse, I mean husband or wife. Now they'd like to bring their spouses and husband. This is the tremendous opportunity to bring them in through the self-sponsorship. That's the first thing. If you understood, you can bring your spouse, I mean husband and wife, through a sponsorship visa. Type in the chat box spouse allowed. Second thing is, if you'd like to work in another organization, for example, you have got a consultancy firm, and if you'd like to work in another consultancy firm, or if you have got a food business in a restaurant, you have got a restaurant, but if you like to work in a restaurant part-time, like 20 hours per week, so this self-sponsorship visa is going to allow you to work outside of your business 20 hours. So if you understand the second benefit, please type in the chat box 20 hours. Third thing is, you need to consider that it takes only £537, if I'm not wrong, plus around £1,000. It's £1,500–1,600 to get this visa. This is the application fee. If you understand, please type in the chat box around £1,600 to get this visa through a self-sponsorship. And the last benefit is, if you'd like to get your what is called ILR, independent leave to remain, I mean settlement status. In that case, if you continue this self-sponsorship visa for 5 years, you're gonna get ILR. So if you understood the fourth benefit of self-sponsorship visa, please type in the chat box ILR. That's the thing I wanted to share with you, so that you can understand the advantage or benefits of getting the self-sponsorship visa. Now I'd like to talk about three things if you'd like to go to self-sponsorship visa. I've seen a lot of people are joining right now. Thank you for joining. So let me know where are you joining from. Just if you just type in the chat box where are you joining from, so that I can acknowledge you. That's the first thing. Second thing is, okay, so the three skills I have mentioned earlier that you got to have when you'd like to have a self-sponsorship visa. So before sharing these three skills of self-sponsorship visa, I'd like to talk a little bit about this, how we can help you through this self-sponsorship visa. Number one is, now Hassel Free Education has partnered up with the solicitors accountant. So myself, I'll be working in this project as a business mentor. I know you don't have any skills and experience, and still you'd like to go through self-sponsorship visa and would like to get settled in the UK. In that case, I'll help you as a business mentor. And I have got solicitor, barrister, one of the barrister. So he is gonna look after your legal parts, I mean through the applications until you get the visa. And the third thing is tax, VAT and all these things. My accountant, he's a chartered accountant, he's gonna take care of this. So all the services we put into together, and of course there is a cost of getting this service, and that is so the mentorship program is £200 per month, and if you put pay it together, it's 2,000 for the 12 months once you start. So for 12 months this is the whole package. And for the solicitor fee is £3,000. You don't have to pay all together. You can pay in installment as well. What I mean by that is, so you can start paying the solicitor is £1,500, and you can pay £537 for a sponsorship license visa. I mean, around £2,000 you can start processing the self sponsorship things. So the 3 skills I have promised to you need to have once you start applying for this self-sponsorship visa. Well, probably some of you don't have these skills. However, in that case, you can learn it. You can learn it. So the 3 skills I'm going to show it to you is. So this is my niece. Okay. Would you like to say hello? Okay. So the 3 skills. Okay, first skill is sales. So if you don't know how to sell, that means you don't have any business. If you don't have money coming into your bank through your sales, through your business, that means you don't have any business. That's the first thing. So you need to understand the sales. And we are giving a lot of training on sales as well once you come to the mentorship program. The second skills, you got to have advertisement. You got to have the skills. You need to understand how the advertisement industry works. So for example, the first skill you have learned how to do the sales, how to acquire the customers. Second thing is where are you gonna get those customers. So you need to understand the whole pipeline. How does it work in advertisement industry? And once you get this skill, of course, you know how to reach out to millions of people. So right now, I think we have reached out over 100 million people through our products and service. So you need to understand how does it work. And the third skill is management skills. So once you understand sale, once you understand advertisement, now you need to train up your people and need to clone yourself and need to transfer your skills, and so that they can start from there and they can help you, support you, and make a bigger impact in the society, in the community through your service and product. That's the whole things. And the bonus skill I'd like to share with you is mindset. So probably you have got so much skill set, but if you don't have mindset, in that case the skills it doesn't bring you the result. So mindset is very important. So basically 4 skills we are training in our mentorship program, and the guarantee is if you cannot make your money within the 12 months time period, so we're gonna refund 100%. So that's the money back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? I have sent you a link. I'm running a webinar on 24th 9 o'clock at night in UK time. So if you'd like to join that program, so please click the link, share your details, and our team will put into the webinar link so that you can join me and get 90 minutes presentation and make your decision. If you've got any questions, jump on the virtual webinar and you can ask me anything, my solicitor and accountant. So having said that, I'd like to leave you here. I believe you're gonna have a beautiful evening. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Bye.